Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Honda Fit. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.